Alright, number 8 says David weighed 98 and 2/10 pounds at the beginning of middle school. By the end of middle school, his weight had increased by 25 and 4/600 pounds. How much did David weigh at the end of middle school? Okay, so since it says it increased, you're going to be adding his weight that he started with and how much it increased by. So for number 8, we're going to do 98.2 plus 25.46. When you're adding, you want to make sure you line up the decimals and put a placeholder here so we have 4 digits on top and 4 digits on the bottom. Then we add 0 and 6 is 6. 2 and 4 is 6. Bring your decimal straight down. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So his weight at the end of middle school was 123.66 pounds, which is K. Number 9 says cherries cost $2.88 per pound. What is the cost of 2.5 pounds of cherries? Alright, to find the answer to this one, we're going to multiply the cost per pound by 2.5 pounds. So we're going to put 2.88 on top times 2.5 on the bottom. Remember, when multiplying, you do not line the decimals up. Starting with 5, 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 8, 40 plus 4, 44. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14. Put a placeholder, go over to the 2. 2 times 8 is 16, carry your 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus the 1 is 17. And 2 times 2 plus 1 is 5. Add your two products together. 0 and 0 is 0. 4 plus 6 is 10. 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 1 is 12. 1 plus 1 plus 5 is 7. Count the number of decimal places in your problem. 1, 2, 3. So I need 1, 2, 3 in my answer, which makes that $7.20, which is D. Number 10, Miss Johnson divided $300 equally among her 4 grandchildren. If Marissa spent $27 of her share, how much of her original share does Marissa have left? So we're assuming Marissa is one of the grandchildren. So we first have to figure out how much did each grandchild get. So to do that, we are going to do 300 divided by 4. 4 goes into 30 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. Bring down the 0. 4 goes into 20 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20, and 20 minus 20 is 0. So that means each grandchild got $75. And it says Marissa spent 27, so we need to subtract 27 from the 75. Well, I can't take 7 from 5, so I have to regroup. 15 minus 7 is 8. 6 minus 2 is 4. So Marissa has $48 of her share left, which is F. Number 11 says a group of 5 students spent the day at an amusement park. Regular admission to the park cost $42, but each student used a coupon worth $6 off the regular price. What was the final cost in dollars of admission for the entire group? Okay, so the cost is $42, but each child got $6 off. So we're going to do 42 minus 6. Have to regroup. 12 minus 6 is 6, and then 3 minus nothing is 3. So that means each ticket is $36. And they are buying 5 of those. So the easiest way to find our answer is to do 36 times 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18. So the final cost of admission was $180, which is B. Number 12. The cost of crude oil per barrel was $115 in March and $97 in September. How many dollars did an oil refinery save by purchasing 100 barrels of oil in September rather than March? Okay. One way to find this is to figure out how much they spent on 100 barrels in March first. So that means we would do 100 times 115. So 0 times 5 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0. Going here, once again, multiplying by all three of these, that's going to be 0, placeholder, 0, 0, 0. 1 times 5, we're going to need two placeholders, is 5. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1. Add those together, 0, 0, 5, 1, 1, which is $11,500. Easier way to do that would have just been knowing, okay, if I'm multiplying by 100, I'm adding 2 zeros, which would have been much quicker. Okay? Now, 97 times 100. Seven times 0 is 0. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 1 is 7. Placeholder. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 0 is 0. And 9 times 1 is 9. Add those together. 0, 0, 7, 9. $9,700. Okay. Well, we want to know how much they saved by purchasing 100 barrels of oil in September rather than March. Okay. So this is our September. This is our March. So we're going to subtract those. So 11,500 minus 9,700. Well, 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Can't take 7 from 5, so I have to regroup. 15 minus 7 is 8. And then 10 minus 9 is 1. So the answer is G, $1,800 is how much they saved. Number 13. Kevin had $98. He loaned Rob $40, and then Stephen paid Kevin back $10 from the week before. Kevin then spent $25. How many dollars does Kevin have left? Okay, so we know Kevin had $98. He loaned Rob $40, so that means we're going to have to subtract that because he gave it away. So 8 minus 0 is 8, 9 minus 4 is $58. So he had $58 after he loaned Rob $40. But then Stephen gave Kevin $10. So 58 plus 10 is $68. Then Kevin spent $25, which means I have to subtract. So 68 minus 25 gives me $43 as my answer, which is B. And finally, number 14 says Community High School charges $12 for each adult ticket and $6 for each student ticket to see the fall play. The ticket order totaled $54 and included a request for exactly one adult ticket. How many student tickets did the order request? Okay, so the total is 54, and they bought one adult, so we can take the one adult away. So minus the $12 adult ticket is going to leave us with $42 in student tickets. Well, since student tickets are $6 each, I can take 42 divided by 6 to get the number of student tickets bought. 6 goes into 42, 7. 7 times 6 is 42, and 42 minus 42 is 0. So the answer is G, 7 student tickets.